Hi everyone, Prince here. Just going to show you today a quick little tutorial on how to download and import maps onto Skater XL on the PC. It's a little different to some other games where you can just simply download through a menu. So we're going to get started here. It's pretty straightforward. When you download the game, you're going to get two maps straight off the bat. You're going to get the official maps, West LA Courthouse and the California Skate Park. But you can also download community created maps as well. Now, it's actually done through a Discord group, which is Skater XL. I'm just going to bring that on screen here, just 1 second there. And you can see here, Skater XL or SXL modding is the overall group here, and they've got all these different sort of hashtags here. But map beta is basically what we want to look at. In here you'll see all these different maps, and a few of them are just sort of concept designs. They haven't got the downloads yet, but this one here actually looks pretty cool. This is a Mediafire one. They've either come through like Mediafire, Google Drive, and a few other different link types. Personally, I do prefer the Google Drive just for their security, but I mean, if you're comfortable using Mediafire or the other types that are on here, obviously download them at your own risk. I'm going to use this Mediafire one just for the example. So we're going to download, this is a 265 megabyte file. So that's going to take a little bit there, some ad. So we'll let that download. So yeah, perfect. So this is Anchor Park by Ace Bosk. Thank you for the world. So you can see here that we've got in our downloads, we've got the file there, the 271 kilobytes. Now, in order to actually import these to the game, unlike most titles where you actually go into like the files on the computer of that game, so like for instance, go to the Skater XL where all the programming and stuff is all. You actually just go to your documents folder, create a Skater XL file, create a maps file in that folder, and then you just copy it into there. So simple as that. We're going to go ahead and go over to our downloads again. We're going to cut that, go over to our maps. I'm just going to paste that straight in, and I don't have to restart the game or anything like that. I can just go straight over. I'll go to maps, and where is it? There it is, first one. It's straight in the game. It's so simple to do. Once you've got the file set up, which takes seconds, you can just simply start downloading and copying them in. And if you're savvy enough, I mean, just make it so it saves straight into it. But I just find it easier just to keep everything going into the downloads folder and then just pulling it out where I need it to go. So let's check this out. That's nice. There's a bit of an unusual shadowing around my character. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, I'm hooked. Alright, so let's see if this ledge works. Oop, that wasn't probably the best example. Oop. Okay. Let's just see if this ledge works. I think they've also not got the rails set. Not a lot of these worlds do have the rails and ledges set to slide on. I'm not sure if that's just a limitation to the programming or whatnot, but at least the ramps work, and you can still get some good lines in there at the moment. The game does release in June this year, so hopefully by then the community built maps can be updated, and where there's a rail, it acts like a rail. But this is actually a really nicely designed skate park. Like, if this was at my local, this would actually be pretty insane. My local is pretty good though. There's been a lot of really good skaters and scooter riders and stuff like that come out of it. It has taught a lot of people how to be really good athletes. Okay, so we're gonna try and set up a good line here. I'm liking this sort of flow. We get back to the start there. So I'm going to try and do a flip trick up the set onto that ramp, come off the edge and do another one. Whoop. Ah. Okay, take 2 on this. Let's just set up our marker so we don't have to keep coming back to that. We'll set it up to start here. Alright, so flip up. Oh, counts. Yo, yeah, boy. Alright guys, but that was just a quick tutorial on how to download and import the maps that you can get. So make sure if you do want to download some maps and get them into the file, you just simply go to that Discord group's SXL and then, what is it, XXL modding, find out the map that you would like to download. If you can, run a scan through it just beforehand, just to make sure it is safe. I don't want you guys downloading anything and getting any viruses, but essentially these maps are really well done. As you can see, some of them, even with the graffiti and whatnot, it looks really cool. But just download, have some fun, and the game comes out soon. Thank you.